geographic distribution of the animals seems at first quenched by the idea of PANGEA. That's the geographical redistribution of the 7 plates. And hence, due to the 20th century's many large earthquakes, starting in 1906 with the San Francisco earthquakes, many buildings were subsequently updated and made earthquake-proof. Hence, the arrival of modern technology has enabled us to adapt. This frequency of man-affecting earthquakes has been noted in the Messianic Gospel, as well as finding that these two simple things, the fact that we have noted more earthquakes, the fact that more earthquakes were predicted, and the fact that the idea, as David Attenborough mentioned, his teacher was unwilling to talk about the plates moving and different animals being physically removed because of plate tectonics. It all boils down to these 3 factors meeting.